Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can install Ansible in your Ubuntu environment. The Ubuntu version is 24.04 long-term support. So in this case, there are many ways to install Ansible in a Linux environment. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install using the apt command. apt is the package manager for Ubuntu or other Debian-based Linux distributions. So the first step, always when you use apt, you have to refresh the repository database with this command. I am working in a virtual machine. It's a little slow. So the next step is to install Ansible in our environment. It's downloading the package and dependency for Ansible. This step is installing the package. So we need to wait to finish this process. It's done. We can validate the Ansible version. Okay. We have the version 2.16.3. This is not the latest version. If we want the latest version, we can use pip python command. I will do other video with this process. So we can do a small test to see how Ansible works. I'm going to create an inventory file, call it host. I'm going to add my IP address, and I'm going to list the host in the inventory using the Ansible command. So here it shows the output with the IP command of my host. So we can see that where our Ansible installation is working, and we can use for many stuff. So that's all, and see you in the next video. Bye.